Hey, what's up guys and welcome back to askNK. Today we're going to take a look at a couple of cool and interesting Blender add-ons that are currently available on SuperHive that you possibly would want to work with. And these add-ons are pretty amazing and can help you create faster. And with that said, let's get right into it. First off is iCars, the traffic and vehicle physics simulation tool from the folks at iCity. And this is an amazing tool which is currently doing a 30% limited offer. And this tool comes with some interesting, cool features that allows you to create ghost control systems, free drive systems, traffic simulation systems, and at the same time, these also ships with a good number of vehicles, making it super easy for anyone that is thinking about making car simulations to do this with ease. All vehicles that comes with these are fully rigged and you can simply proceed to start controlling and creating that interesting driving animation that you've always wanted. Links to this is going to be in the description. For those who are thinking about doing more stuff, they might want to consider taking a look at the iCity. And iCity version 1.5.1 is currently available as an update to the iCity City Generator add-on, and we've already covered this on the channel before. The idea behind this one is for you to be able to create cities in a couple of minutes. This has been updated to make the whole system work faster and has also included a couple of interesting procedural stuff that will make you create cities quickly and easily. So if you've been thinking about generating cities, generating custom roads, highways, bridges, or possibly creating cities that you can use in every other DCC tool, then you might want to consider taking a look at this, as this is easy, quick, and just requires a couple of push and pulls to create amazing cities. So for those who are thinking about this one, this is also doing a 30% offer. And speaking about percentage off, the folks at B Production are currently doing a 20% offer on Vegetation version 6. And this is an amazing vegetation tool that allows you to simply work with high quality vegetations in Blender. And version 6 now comes with two categories, which now includes about 129 new assets. And this includes some succulents, hanging trees, ornament plants, trees, tropical trees, fruit trees, garden plants, desert plants, and so on. And of course, these also comes with fully animated trunks, animated leaves, and over 1,500 variations that you can tweak with all of these to get a very nice result. This is also asset browser compatible and also ships with high quality textures. Of course, for those who are thinking about making modifications to this also has a couple of interesting modification tools and also properties that you can tweak to get the desired result that you're going for. So if you'd like to get this is currently doing a 20% launch offer, and you'll find the coupon code alongside the link to this in the description. And here's this amazing add-on from the folks at AllTab, and this is the AllTab Easy Decal. And this is defined as a new way of placing decals onto your models or literally anything that exists in Blender. And currently, this is doing a launch offer. More so for inclusivity, if you already own Stampede, the folks at AllTab are offering you a 50% off for you to be able to own this. And this simplifies the process of applying decals to your model. And the idea is for you to simply place, scale, or rotate your image to fit into the model, with amazing features like the auto object parenting, duplicating decals with ease, swapping images quickly, layering of various images, and the automatic projection of images. All of these are being done with a simple and yet organized user interface, and this allows you to throw in those details in seconds and control them however you want. And this is an amazing tool for anyone that is thinking about working with decals or even creating amazing stuff like this quickly and easily. And if you need this, possibly you own Stampede, then you can come through and get this for 50% off, or you can simply own this with the launch offer that is available. Interestingly, the folks at AllTab has also created a couple of other cool stuff before, and you might want to come through and check out some of the nice things that they've put together for the community. Divine Cut 4.0 is an amazing Blender add-on that allows you to easily create clothes in Blender. And version 4.0 now makes it even more easier for you to enhance and elevate your 3D cloth creation workflow. And this comes with some amazing cool features, as this ships with a layered collision system, making it easier for you to be able to manage collision between cloth layers, enabling for much more realistic interaction. There's a new color algorithm which improves the color generation method, delivers a more realistic and structured colors. The body adjustment and shoe colliders are also currently available with version 4, and high resolution duplication and belt simulation is now here. For those who are thinking about baking shapes and also working with that in Unreal Engine and other tools, this is also available with it too. You can now simply convert external meshes and make them divine meshes, which is something that I believe a lot of creators would also like to work with. there's a good number of improvements to both performance, enhancement, and overall, this now has a performance that is up to 30 times faster. So whether you're into design diversity, realism, flexibility, efficiency, or maybe you want the streamlined editing process, making your cloth simulations inside of Blender, then Divine Cut Smart Cloth Generator version 4 is currently available for you. And speaking about clothes, CGI Forge has made the Mesh Looper, and Mesh Looper is a pretty cool add-on that seamlessly loops clothing or literally anything you have in Blender with one click. So instead of spending too much time making a lot of keyframes trying to make a simple loop, with the Revolve Mesh Looper, you can now seamlessly generate loops of animated meshes easily inside of Blender, as you can specify the start time, the end time, and also the transition length that you want these to actually take. And this makes it very easy for you to now make loops right inside of Blender. So for those who are thinking about looping, or possibly you would like to create some cool effects like this, then you can simply go over to the link in the description and check this one out. And here's an interesting add-on that a lot of people are talking about, and it's the Aborea. Aborea is an interesting vegetation tool and also an environment tool that is built for creators, and this is from the folks at Sweeper 3D. And this tool is a growing library of nature assets and procedural tools for building stunning 3D environments inside of Blender. And this comes with over 600 plus optimized meshes, which makes it extremely easy for you to drag, drop into your viewport, and customize them how you want. Aborea has a lot of things going for it, and it is super amazing the way this has been built. We're currently working on a video for this one, so just in case you'd like to see it, before you actually make that purchase, then you might want to consider checking that out once we make that publication. Once it comes to vegetation, this has a ton of features and also a ton of cool stuff that you can definitely take advantage of. Aborea simply reminds us of a very cool tool that we've also talked about on the channel before, which is the Nature Generator. Nature Generator from Andreas is a very beautiful tool which is pretty similar to Aborea. However, Aborea simply focuses more on vegetation with a bit of stuff that has to do with environment, while Nature Generator focuses more on environment assets that deals with rocks, cliffs, mountains, terrains with a bit of vegetation on the side. And these two tools are super useful, and you can definitely go ahead and explore with them, especially if you're thinking about stuff that has to do with proceduralism. With Nature Generator, you can add lakes, rivers, water surfaces, and also do some interesting scattering effects. Every single thing that you have here is fully procedural as well, and you can control them with a layer and toggle through different types of texture options that currently exist with it. At the same time, Aborea also supports multi-emitter scattering, which is pretty similar with what we've just mentioned. And like we mentioned, Aborea is more vegetation focused, while Nature Generator is more environment focused, and you can simply work with this tool to get amazing stuff. And with Nature Generator, there's a 20% coupon code in the description that will definitely come in handy for those who like to work with it. So if you're looking for a scattering system that comes with a ton of interesting cool stuff that deals with proximity, camera culling, elevation and slope control, procedural pattern distribution, and so much more, then Aborea is a pretty cool tool that requires little to no setup for you to actually start creating cool stuff with it. Here's a couple of honorable mentions that I think a lot of you guys would like to see. Physics Dropper is a pretty cool tool that can allow you to drop literally anything you have in Blender on your scene with physics. This tool is available for free, which you can simply go right here and grab for free. But of course, if you like to support the creator, then you can come through and grab it. So if you're thinking about using physics to drop stuff in your scene, then of course you can definitely go ahead and check this one out. There's also the Jiggle Generator, which is a pretty cool add-on as well. This is pretty new, and it just allows you to add jiggles to your models, and you can do this by simply painting weights and controlling them how you want with a couple of parameters and sliders. So this is going to be very useful for those who are thinking about creating various jiggling effects on their meshes, or possibly you like to do this on the fabric. At the same time, 3D Illusion has created the Shader Shaper, and this is also another interesting tool which is currently available. And this tool allows you to create bump, normal, and depth map with a single click right inside of Blender. And with the Shaper Generator, you can create tileable textures, and you can actually export these textures and work with them in various DCC tools. And this is pretty cool. At the same time, this is fully GPU accelerated, so whether you're working with Nvidia or AMD, you can definitely work with this one. Other features that comes with this include the distortion removal, the flattening, interactive smoothing, micro detail control, and this produces an amazing quality. So this is it. For those who are thinking about checking these ones out, then you can simply go over to the link in the description where you can find all of the necessary links alongside a couple of other cool ones that are currently available right now. Tell me what you guys think about this one in the comment section. And of course, if you like this video or you learned something from this, you can go ahead and give a like and don't forget to share with a friend. And until I see you guys in the next one, peace.